Well, I've been waiting for so long for this moment to come. Why would you take this? Why would you steal that from me? Oh, this moment, this blessing. But I will stay. The comfort will come, I'm hoping so. And you know that I won't stray. The comfort will come, I'm knowing so. I'm knowing so. Well, I've been dying for so long for this moment to see my little love. Why would you break me? Why would you create this divide? Oh, this moment, but no baby inside. I'm knowing so. I'm hoping so.